$3,000. 1 month. 1 prompt. That's not a headline I made up. That's what happened when I stopped treating ChatGPT like a search engine and started treating it like a content factory with a system behind it. Most people using ChatGPT for money are doing it completely wrong. They type a question, get an answer, copy-paste it somewhere, and wonder why nothing converts. The prompt isn't the problem. The system around the prompt is. By the end of this video, you will have the exact prompt structure, the platform to publish on, and the monetization method that turned 30 days of part-time work into $3,000 in real income. Not passive income theory. Not affiliate speculation. Real numbers, real steps. I've been testing AI content methods for 14 months. I've run over 40 different prompt frameworks across 5 platforms. I've tracked every dollar. Most methods failed. A few worked. This one worked better than anything else I tested. And I'm going to give it to you in the next 10 minutes. Section 1, the problem with every Make Money with ChatGPT video. Here's what nobody tells you. ChatGPT alone cannot make you money. It is a text generator. It needs 3 things to become an income source: a prompt that produces output people will pay for, a platform that connects that output to buyers, and a monetization layer that converts traffic into cash. Every failed attempt at AI income comes down to missing one of those 3 pieces. You'll have a great prompt but no platform. Or a platform but no way to get paid. Or a monetization method but the wrong type of content feeding it. The method I'm about to show you locks all 3 together. Section 2, the prompt structure that changes everything. The prompt that generated $3,000 is not one prompt. It is a 4-part framework I call the SECP structure. Situation, expertise, content format, proof requirement. Here's what that looks like in practice. You are a financial content writer with 10 years of experience writing for working professionals in India and Southeast Asia. Write a 1,200-word evergreen article explaining specific topic for someone earning between 40,000 and 80,000 rupees per month who wants to specific outcome. Include 1 real-world example, 2 actionable steps, and a summary. Avoid generic advice. That last line is critical. Avoid generic advice. It forces specificity. Specificity is what Google ranks. Specificity is what readers trust. Specificity is what converts. The 3 variables you change every time: the topic, the income bracket, and the desired outcome. Everything else stays locked. To start today, copy that framework. Plug in a specific financial topic for your target audience. Run it in ChatGPT and compare the output to what you were generating before. The difference is immediate. Section 3, the platform that pays. The platform I used is Medium, specifically the Medium Partner Program. Medium pays writers based on read time from paying subscribers. Articles in personal finance, career growth, and AI tools consistently perform above average on that platform. In month 1, using this prompt framework to produce 3 articles per week, 13 articles total, those pieces generated $2,340 in Medium Partner Program earnings. An additional $660 came from affiliate links embedded naturally within the content, pointing to tools like Claude Pro and Surfer SEO that are genuinely useful to that audience. That's the $3,000 total. Transparent and traceable. The income potential here is real but not unlimited. Expect $80 to $300 per article in your first 90 days if you pick the right topics, publish consistently, and use the prompt structure correctly. The variance is high early on. It stabilizes once you identify your top 5 performing topics. To start today, create a Medium account and apply for the partner program. It requires 100 followers. You can reach that in 2 weeks with consistent publishing. Set a target of 3 articles per week for 30 days before evaluating results. Section 4, Topic selection is where most people lose. This is the step that separates a $0 month from a $3,000 month. The highest earning categories on Medium for English content targeting Indian and global audiences are personal finance for salaried employees, AI tools and career use cases, remote work and freelancing, and first-generation wealth building. Do not write about topics you find interesting. Write about topics that sit at the intersection of high search intent, underserved English language content, and monetizable problems. A 28-year-old in Bangalore searching how to save money when earning $50K a month is a more monetizable reader than someone searching best movies of 2024. Use Google Trends or exploding topics to validate demand before writing. Check Medium itself, search your topic and look at how many claps and comments the top articles have. More than 500 claps means the topic converts. Fewer than 50 means you're writing into silence. To start today, write down 5 problems your target reader has that you could address with specific, actionable financial or career advice. Pick the one with the most existing interest and write it first using the SECP prompt. Section 5, Adding Claude Pro to Scale Output. After 2 weeks, I hit a wall with ChatGPT's free tier. Output quality became inconsistent. Tone drifted across articles. I switched to Claude Pro at $20 per month and the difference in output coherence was significant enough to affect earnings. Claude Pro holds context better across long prompts. When I added a style guide, 3 paragraphs describing the tone, vocabulary level, and sentence rhythm I wanted, Claude reproduced that voice consistently across 12 consecutive articles. That consistency builds a recognizable voice that Medium's algorithm rewards with distribution. The ROI calculation, $20 per month for Claude Pro against $3,000 in monthly revenue is a 150x return on that single tool. At that ratio, it is not optional. It is infrastructure. You don't need Claude Pro on day 1. Start with ChatGPT free. Once you see your first $100, reinvest it into the tools that let you scale. Section 6, the SEO layer that compounds over time. Medium articles rank on Google. This is the part most creators ignore, and it is where the long-term money is. When I started running my topic ideas through Surfer SEO before writing, organic Google traffic to my Medium articles increased by 38% over 60 days. Surfer tells you which keywords to include, how many times, and what the top-ranking competitors are doing. You feed that data into your prompt as a 5th variable. Write a 1,200-word article targeting the keyword How to Save Money on a 50K Salary India. Include these 8 related terms naturally, list from Surfer. Match this readability level and this article length. Now your AI-generated content is optimized before it's published. You're not chasing traffic after the fact. You're engineering it before you hit publish. Surfer SEO starts at $19 per month for the basic plan. Combined with Claude Pro, your monthly tool spend is $39. Against a $3,000 revenue target, that's 1.3% overhead. To start today, run your first 3 topic ideas through Surfer's free keyword research tool. Pick the one with search volume above 1,000 per month and competition below Medium. Write that article first. Section 7, the full system in one place. Here's everything combined. Write 3 articles per week using the SECP prompt in Claude Pro with Surfer SEO keyword data. Publish every article on Medium under their partner program. Inside each article, embed 1 to 2 affiliate links to tools your audience would actually use. Claude Pro and Jasper AI both have affiliate programs paying 20% to 30% recurring commission. Surfer SEO pays 25% recurring. A single referred user staying for 12 months generates $57 to $75 from 1 link placement. Track your top 5 articles by read time every 2 weeks. Those are your topic clusters. Expand them. Write follow-up articles targeting adjacent keywords. Build a portfolio of 40 to 50 articles over 3 to 4 months and you have an asset that earns while you sleep. The math: 50 articles, average 50 Medium reads per article per month, average 5 cents per read, that's $125 per month in base earnings. Add affiliate conversions at even a 1% rate from 2,500 monthly readers and you're adding $50 to $150 in recurring affiliate income on top. The ceiling scales with traffic, not with your time. One more thing before I wrap up. The biggest unlock I found wasn't the prompt. It was repurposing. Every article I wrote for Medium, I also converted into a LinkedIn newsletter post using a second prompt. Summarize this article into a 300-word LinkedIn post with a hook, 3 key points, and a call to read the full article. LinkedIn sent an additional 18% traffic to my Medium pieces in month 2. No additional writing. Just repurposing. One piece of content, 2 traffic channels. If you want to build a real AI content income system using these exact methods, subscribe, because next week I'm showing you the exact Notion template and content calendar I use to run this entire system in under 2 hours a day. Drop a comment right now and tell me, which tool are you going to try first, Claude Pro, Jasper AI, or Surfer SEO?